welcome to my video. This is Monique. Today I would like to share my result with you guys on two popular tech stocks. They are 4DS and WBT. So both companies in developing of ReRAM technology. What's ReRAM technology? Put in a very simple way, ReRAM is non-volatile, extremely fast, low power, cost-effective technology. So the difference between these two companies is WBT is more focused on low-T devices and 4DS is more focused on cloud computing. Here is a short summary of these two companies. Let's have a look. First, WBT. So WBT, ranking its technology, is a premium candidate to succeed flash solid state drive. And its technology now ready to transfer to a production fab. Over last few months, WBT have been working on a deal with China. However, on the latest company update, it's been mentioned that the commercialize won't reach until middle of 2021. Let's wait and see what happens by middle of 2021. Now let's look at the 4DS. 4DS currently own 29 US granted patents. That's great assets of the company. And there are 3 more patents pending application. And recently, 4DS is awaiting the result of analysis of second non-platform lot. And the outcome of this result from the analyst will pave the way of future steps towards fabricating fully functioning megabit memory. 4DS quarterly update is also reminded that 4DS has sales intensive in place. It's either a potential takeover deals of the company or sale of the company intellectual property. So it's hard to compare these two companies directly as they are on different areas. So as an investor, what we really care is the potential of a percentage on our investment and return. There is a simple way to look at them actually. WBT market cap currently is at 336 million. And the current share price for WBT is $2.81. Over last week, WBT's share price sharply dropped from $4.27. So to be honest, over $4 is a little bit overvalued for WBT at current stage, in my opinion. But no doubt, WBT have great potential. But I would love to wait until middle of the year and to see how WBT going with this deal with China. Now, 4DS market cap is 332 million, similar with WBT, but 4DS share price is only at 24.5 cents. And opposite from WBT, 4DS share price was increased 40% over last week. Now, the 4DS will announce its result from analyze the second non-platform lot. If the result is positive, there is still a huge space for share price of 4DS to go up. So personally, I probably will prefer to put money on 4DS rather than WBT at this stage. However, both companies have great future for sure. It just the recent sharp drop of share price of WBT make me a little bit worried. So I would like to wait for the share price of WBT to get stabilized a bit, and we'll decide from there. So, okay guys, about just my own opinion, and I would love to hear your thoughts as well. So this is not an investment advice, and you do your own research, and love to hear your thoughts, and you are very welcome to leave a comment below here. And I will see you on the next hot stock video. Bye bye.